I feel like if I'm with my boyfriend, I wouldn't want to reach for this cream.
So since filming this video, me and my boyfriend have actually broken up. So I guess I will be using this cream every single night as single.
And I think I've just got cream all in my hair. Hi, so welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do another video. This time I'm going to be talking about my skincare routine, all the products I like, my nighttime and my daytime routine. I always get asked like what products do I use because I have good skin. This is my natural skin. I don't have any makeup on right now, any skincare products on right now, and I'm going to get into that. But I thought I'd share with you the products that I do use to achieve skin like this. I've definitely become a lot more aware of the ingredients that work well with my skin. For example, hyaluronic acid is really good for me because I've got really dry skin, and I always talk about this because I think it's really important for me to share you my skin types to help you guys who also have dry skin. But I have dry skin, and these products I'm going to show you are going to really help with your dry skin, and I'm sure if you have oily skin as well, these could help. But I do know that if you've got dry skin, then you're going to love these products. But before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've only just started and I want to grow my YouTube like I've grown my TikTok, so please subscribe and also make sure to turn on the post notifications to inform you when I've posted a new YouTube video. Firstly, I'm going to start off with showing you my daytime skincare routine. However, it's literally just like a cream, a serum, and then I do my makeup. However, I always do a nighttime skincare routine, so I'm more excited to show you that, so make sure to stay to the end until I show you my nighttime skincare routine. So in this makeup bag, I keep all of my daytime skincare essentials. I always have this next to me when I'm doing my makeup, so I have my makeup bag and then this skincare bag. It's definitely a lot smaller than my makeup one because I try not to hold it like I do my makeup. Like in my makeup bag at the minute, I have like 7 foundations. I don't need it. But in here, I think I only have like 2 or 3 creams, which is probably still excessive. But, you know, it's better than the 7 foundations. Although I'd love to put on all of the skincare products I'm about to show you, I obviously can't put on my skin 3 creams because that's excessive, a waste of product, and as well, like, what's the point? But I will go through and try as many products that I can to show you. So firstly, starting off with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I love this cream. I use it every single day. I do switch this cream out, obviously, to try new products. However, if I don't want to try anything new that day, or anything for certain different reasons, then this is the cream that I will reach for. Firstly, I love the packaging of this cream. It's not glass, it is plastic. However, the packaging is just so cute. And then it's also very thick in consistency. This is more of a whipped consistency, which I personally really like. So like I said, I've been reaching for this cream now for a couple of weeks, and honestly, it just feels so nice. It's not overly fragrant, but it does obviously have a smell. But in my skincare, I do like to have skincare that has a fragrance. I don't really know how to explain it, but I just feel like it's not as clean if it doesn't have a smell. I don't know if that makes any sense, but in makeup, I don't care if it has a fragrance or not, I honestly don't. But in skincare, I honestly really like to have something there just to make it feel like I am putting something on my face. And I think I've just got cream all in my hair. Have I got cream in my hair? I don't know. But this product honestly has so many claims, I can't remember them all. So I went onto their website and it's meant to hydrate the skin. I don't obviously have wrinkles or fine lines, but it's meant to reduce the appearance of them. It's meant to make skin feel firmer. Now I have noticed that my skin after I've used it, and obviously for the amount of time that I have been using it for, my skin definitely feels tighter. I don't know how to explain it because it's one of those really weird things that you can't really explain your skin feeling tighter, but it just feels plumper as well, and it feels more, I don't know how to explain it, but I've definitely noticed since using this cream that my skin has felt like this. Before, when I was using other creams, I didn't feel anything like that. And I know I've still got youthful and young skin, but either way, you can still feel it, and I definitely have. And of course, because I have dry skin, I love this product because it's meant to hydrate and moisturize your skin. So of course, I love this cream. I really recommend it, and this is definitely my favorite cream. It's not cheap though, it's definitely a luxury product, but it's so worth it. I was so excited to talk about that cream because honestly it's my favourite skincare product. I completely forgot to go over my actual first step of my skincare routine. So in the morning I always take the Fresh Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. Now I received this recently, like literally last week. I have been using it every single day, but I wanted to mention it anyway because just when I use it, my skin feels hydrated, and that's because it's got hyaluronic acid in it. And as I was saying, this ingredient is amazing for dry skin. So it's got hyaluronic acid, it's meant to protect your skin from the damaging effects of indoor and outdoor pollution, and it's meant to refine pores and fine lines. I've definitely noticed recently that my pores have definitely become larger. Until only a couple of months ago, you could barely see them. So I don't know what I'm doing differently that might cause my pores to enlarge. So this is what it looks like. It's just got one of these, I don't know what you'd call this type of opening. But what I do anyway is I just put some onto the palms of my hands like this, and then I pat it onto my face, onto my neck, And I always forget to do my forehead when it comes to makeup and everything, but also my forehead as well. But as it said on the back of the kombucha essence, before anything you are meant to cleanse your skin. And to do that, I like to take the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Face Cleanser. This is so good. I love this. I've been using this now for, I want to say like 4 months. Whenever I use it, my skin just feels really hydrated. It also has a nice shine that I've noticed, so I like to use this in the day. But this also works as a makeup remover. Not like a proper makeup remover, but it does help to remove the makeup. And this is why I like to use this in the morning as well, after I've slept. And if there still is any makeup residue on my face, and this is obviously a really nice product to remove it. So now that I've shown you my top 3 skincare products that I use pretty much every single day, the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, as well as the Fresh Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence, I thought I'd show you the other creams and other skincare products that I do use and that I really do like. So the next cream I'm going to show you is the Vita, I never know how to pronounce it, I think it's Vitamascus or Vitamascus. Anyway, I'm just going to say VQ. The VQ Blue Malachite Moisturising Cream. I really like this cream. It's a lot more affordable than the Charlotte Tilbury one. I think this is £25, whereas the Charlotte Tilbury one is in the 60s, 70s, depending on how big you want the product. But I think that this is definitely more of an affordable option. It's really thick and creamy in texture, and that's why I really like it. They have another cream that is a lot runnier in consistency. I don't like that one, but because this one's really thick, I like this. And this product is meant to help the skin's barrier and strengthen it. I just wanted to read some things off the internet about it. It says it's a vegan friendly cream. So this product is made of anti-free radicals which protect the skin whilst minimizing fine lines. I also looked at the packaging and this is recyclable as well. So another cream that I absolutely love is the Bolt Beauty Mad About Moisture Pearls. These are really good. However, I do prefer these in winter than I do in summer. In summer, I haven't really reached for them that much. However, in winter, again, I always use these. It doesn't really look like I've used a lot, but I've used the refill bag and I've put it back into here again. You just twist them and then the product comes out. But these are just so handy, like when you are going on holiday or just going to a friend's house for the night, you don't want to carry a whole load of things. So these are just so worth it. And I think in here you get 100 capsules, so if you're using one a day, this will last you 100 days. The next product is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturiser. I really like this product. I haven't tried it for that long, but whilst I've been using it, I've really enjoyed how my skin feels and looks after using it. Now this definitely isn't my favourite consistency in a moisturiser. Like I was saying, I prefer really thick creams. However, if I zoom you in, you'll be able to see that this is definitely a lot more liquidy. And I feel like these creams do provide a lot of moisture, however they do feel very wet, and I'm going to put some more on anyway. But it blends really nicely into the skin. I'm not also a massive fan of the smell. It kind of smells of cucumber, but then again I love cucumber, so I do really like it. It just smells like really luxurious skincare. And it does smell nice. It does smell nice, but it's not my favourite scent in a skincare product that I've ever tried. It definitely smells like cucumbers. That's like the closest smell I can give it. I've just gone onto Fresh's website and it's saying that it's got hyaluronic acid in it, which is obviously why I like this product. It's definitely very hydrating, and as well it makes my skin look quite radiant. It's also got vitamin E to protect, soothe and soften. I love the Vichy Mineral 89 Probiotic Fraction Serum, especially since after I was invited to their online event, just because the dermatologists online were basically explaining to us why this product is so good, and I've been using it every single day since then. Wow, my skin just feels really plump. It's meant to protect the skin's barrier from pollutants. I know it's also got hyaluronic acid in it, another reason why I love this product, just because honestly all of these products together make my skin just feel so soft and plump, and that's why I like to use all of these products together. So if I zoom you in, it's basically just got a little dropper. It's more of like a milky liquid, and I put this on before cream. I'm not going to put it on today because I actually put it already on today, this morning, and I don't want to waste a product, but I really like this. I don't want to ramble on for too long about moisturizers. However, I recently tried this from Newsticks, but this is the yuzu and turmeric, or is it turmeric? I don't know, because I've seen people pronounce this turmeric, but I've also seen other people pronounce this turmeric, so I'm just going to say turmeric.
So I've got my trusty Google assistant on my phone and I want to figure out if it's turmeric or turmeric. Turmeric.
But it's the daily moisturizer. I really like this. I used it recently in a TikTok video and my skin just felt so good afterwards. My skin just felt really moisturized, but as well it looked quite dewy. And the same thing goes for the Fenty Skin. I think this is called the Hydra Visor. yeah, the Hydra Visor. But I also love the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor because it's got SPF 30. I don't go in with the separate SPF just because I know that a lot of the primers I use have SPF in them, or foundations have SPF. Like one of my favourite foundations from Ilia, the Super Serum Skin Tint, I always use in my TikTok videos, so if you haven't seen it then please check it out. But that's got SPF 40 in it. So the last skincare product in my everyday makeup routine is the Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. There's an ingredient in here called polyglutamic acid, I hope I said that right, and this is 4 times more hydrating than hyaluronic acid. Now for all the products I've just spoken to you about that have hyaluronic acid in it, this is definitely more hydrating, and that's why I absolutely love this. I've used this a lot on my TikTok, but again this just has a dropper. You honestly don't need a lot. It has a fragrance, but it's not overly intense or off-putting. It just smells and feels really, really nice. So now moving on to my nighttime skincare routine. This is by far my favourite routine throughout the day. I wake up in the morning, my skin definitely feels more hydrated, doesn't feel dry, and I don't feel like I need to rush to put more moisturiser on, and that's what I like, because whenever I woke up before, my skin would just feel so dry. Now I didn't really do my daytime skincare routine in order, however I will show you my nighttime skincare routine in order just because I've perfected it. I'm really, really happy with my nighttime skincare routine, and I'm going to show you in exactly what I do every single night. So the first thing I do is I take this cream, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Night Cream. Now I really, really like this because it's got retinol in it, and it does have a fragrance in it, like a lot more overpowering than the Charlotte Tilbury's Day Cream. But this is what the product looks like, and it's very, very thick. And I know it's not nighttime right now, but I'm just going to put it on my skin anyway. I've just washed my face and it's clean again, and I'm just going to do my nighttime skincare routine to show you what I do. I love this cream. I use it every single night. It is very, very sticky, so I feel like if I'm with my boyfriend, I wouldn't want to reach for this cream just because it is really, really sticky. But the nights that I'm not with him, I use this every single night.
So since filming this video, me and my boyfriend have actually broken up. So I guess I will be using this cream every single night as single.
Now this is definitely very, very expensive. This was £100, but it's so worth it. My skin feels plumper, it feels more radiant. I wake up in the morning and my skin just looks healthier, and that's why I really, really like this, and definitely recommend it if you're looking for a night cream. I then take the Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Eye Rescue. I use this every single night. However, if I don't go in with this one, I do go in with the IT Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream. This is really, really good, and I have been using this one for longer, but recently I've tried this one, and for the past month and a half, this is the eye cream that I've been reaching for the most. You can definitely use this product in the day, however I just prefer to use this at night. And what I do is I take a really, really small amount because you really don't need a lot, and I just put it underneath my eyes like so, like here. I did actually do a nighttime skincare routine the other day on my TikTok where I was going through all of these steps in a shorter video, so if you want to see that then please check it out as well. But I also put eye cream always on my smile lines as well.
The one time that my mum decides to actually mow the lawn, I'm filming, so I apologise on behalf of her for all the sounds that she's making outside in the garden with the grass.
I do tend to use this at night, like I was saying, but if my eyes do feel particularly puffy on a particular morning, then I will go in with this as well in the morning. So this sounds really, really weird, but I do also take the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. Now I use this for my neck, and the thing is, if I do use this in the daytime or in the nighttime, I will go in with the IT Cosmetics Confidence in an eye cream as well, just because I like to use the same products together, if that makes sense. I used to use this all the time on my face, but now I just tend to use it for my neck and my décolleté, or is it décolletage? I actually don't know, but I think, I'm just going to say décolleté, I think it is décolleté. But I honestly love this cream. It's got sort of like a lemony smell to it, which I can see would be kind of off-putting for some, but I honestly really, really like it. The lid has broken, which is the only annoying thing, but the actual jar itself is really, really durable. But the lid is honestly terrible, and it's the same for the eye cream as well. The lid broke on that. So I then always moisturise my skin. My favourite body moisturiser at the minute is the Luxe Unfiltered Conditioning Body Cream in the Smell fragrance. Santal, I think that's how you pronounce it, Santal. I honestly love how this smells and how it feels. On the back it says it's got jojoba. Oh my god, I can't. Is it jojoba or jojoba? I think it's jojoba. That oil, it's got that oil which is obviously really nourishing. It's got vitamin C and hyaluronic acid to hydrate my skin as well.
I literally took English literature for A-level, and I'm about to do a fashion journalism course and I can't even speak English. Like, what is going on with me?
I've been using it every single day for I want to say 2 weeks now, or just coming up to 2 weeks. I've been using it every single day. I love the packaging as well. The packaging is really, really nice. It just feels really luxe. I'm going to be so upset when I run out of this because, oh God, because I'm so grateful to have this gifted to me, but like I would definitely go out my way to buy another one. I tried the Fenty, it's up there, what's it called? I can't see because I normally wear glasses and I can't see anything right now. I think it's called the Body Butter and I used to use that all the time and I still really, really like it. I'll still use it. Like if I didn't ever try this, I would still love that one. But this one I just prefer a lot more than any other cream I've ever tried. And I literally put this on my chest, my arms, my legs, my arse. That's it, literally that. Sometimes my feet as well if I can be asked to do that. But I put this literally everywhere. And finally, my nighttime skincare routine wouldn't be complete without the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Lip Oil Crystal Elixir. I use this every single night. I also use it in the day sometimes for lip balms. However, I've got so many lip balms that I tend to just take the other ones and then leave this for nighttime, because at night this is more of a lip mask. However, obviously throughout the day you can use it as a lip oil or a gloss kind of. It's kind of glossy, it makes your lips kind of glossy. So this just has a roller ball like so, and I put it all over my lips. It tastes and it smells really, really nice. I just love the feel of it. And I know I've used a lot of Charlotte Tilbury's products in this video, however I just love her products. They're so good. I definitely prefer her skincare to her makeup, but I also love her makeup. Like I always use her makeup, but skincare wise, her skincare is great and I literally use it all the time. But this lip oil is really, really nice. It is a bit sticky, so if you want something that's not sticky, then like this is still nice for nighttime, but in the day I'd probably stay away from this. Like I know for instance with the Nivea little lip balm pot, you always need so much because your lips just feel dry again after 10 minutes. This doesn't make your lips feel like that at all, and that's why I really, really like it. I promise you I only have one more Charlotte Tilbury product, and this is the new, oh God, what even is this called? The Cryo Recovery Face Mask. I've been using this pretty much every single day or every other day, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. Basically, you leave it in the freezer. I literally leave it in the freezer all the time. It's obviously been out the freezer now for a while, which is why it's not frozen. And these dots basically target the acupuncture places on your face, and it just feels so good. And in fact, I'm actually going to put it on just to show you what it looks like, because it's great. It is honestly great. And what I actually tend to do is I put on the Magic Serum underneath this from Charlotte Tilbury as well. And then I only leave this mask on for 10 minutes, but I do it in the morning. I just feel really, really puffy, and this helps to reduce the puffiness. But I do also take these tools from Nude Sticks, and I think they're a collaboration with Beauty Magnet. Don't quote me, but I think they are. What I do with this is I take this one or this one, and I basically just like roll it over the mask. I now think that my hair looks really, really ruined after that mask. But oh, that's the end of the video anyway, and thank you so much for listening. And I hope that if you go ahead and purchase these products, that these work for you as well, like they do work for me. I do just want to say that skincare is very personal. Like these products I love, but they might not work for you. Or there's skincare products that you absolutely love, but they might not work for me. So skincare is very, very personal, and it's just one of those things you've got to try to see if you really, really like them or not. But thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications to inform you when I've just posted. And as well, make sure to look at my TikTok at Zach Heath and my Instagram at Zach.Heath, because that will mean so much. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.